Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can refund your Roblox item. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. First of all, we must open the Roblox mobile, then you will get this basic interface. What you have to do is to take a look on lower right corner with 3 dots in line. After that you get many options, but you need to scroll down to find help. When you click that, you will be redirected to official Roblox website, where you must again scroll down to find Contact Us button. Once again redirected to another page, you will get a paragraph why you should contact Roblox support, but you can just ignore all of that text and go straight to support form. You will get option to create or click login, and I presume you already have account, so just go login and type your informations here. After login, you will get a new page where you should put your email address twice for verification and put category of your problem. For device, you pick iPhone, Android, iPad or something else, and it all depends on your mobile device you are using. For help category, you have to find the Roblox toys, then once again pick physical Roblox toy. Now you can type something like, "Hello, I would like a refund for this or that," and it will be reviewed by support. Thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.